Dan with Infected RC here, and we're doing yet another unboxing, this time with Axial's SCX10 Deadbolt. I have been dying to tear into this thing. Bought this thing from our friends over at RPP Hobby. Let's see what we got here. First open the box, you get a lot of plastic stuff. It looks like you've got spares for just about everything here. I'm hoping this is spares. It's supposed to come ready to run. But you got a big box of plastic here. In addition, you've also got the instruction manual included with that. And it looks like we've got our 2-channel radio here. Actually, yep, you got the AX3, a 2-channel apparently radio. What else we got in there? Binding plug and tube. All right. Looks like the rest is just going to slide right on out here. And out comes the deadbolt. And it does come all pre-assembled, nice and spiffy, and looks like it's zip tied down to beat hell. They definitely got it secured in there really well. So we're going to grab our side cuts and just kind of open her up. Alright, I believe I've got her freed up here. There we go. Let's get all this wonderful packaging out of the way and see what we got here. Alright, coming straight out of the package, it's all together. It's there, pre-assembled. I don't have to turn a screw on anything if I don't want to, but knowing me, I probably will. Let's take the body off, see what we're working with here. The body does feel pretty thick. I'm actually slightly impressed with how I feel. It's a little weak on the sides here, but other than that, this thing is really solid. Of course, you got your little quarter driver there with his arms and his head. I think that's worth a point right there. And then inside here, you've got your nice Tactic servo, metal geared. Very nice shocks with a piggyback look to it that is not a functional piggyback. Got your brush motor, AE5. Very, very nice. Now, one thing I have been told about these that I do want to check out while we got it on camera here is that you can bend in the front wheels, and yes, you can. So you can bet that real quickly that's going to get changed out with metal linkage. Alright, but other than that, it looks very, very nice. It's also got a Tamiya plug. Probably going to be changing that out real fast as well. Other than that, she's everything I expected, maybe a little bit more even. We'll find out as I get the driver, and you get to read the full review on www.infectedrc.com. Stay tuned.